Hello and welcome to Confessions of a Refashionista. I'm Refashionista Sherry and this is my little Jackie boy, and we are here to show you how to live affordably, sustainably, because why? They're eco-friendly, shouldn't cost the earth. Okay. So you may be wondering, why am I sitting on the floor with Jack? And that is because I'm just going to do a really quick intro and share with you guys, la la, I can show you here, la la. Sorry, buddy. I got my Patreon merch and I'm so excited because, like, oops, sorry, dude. How awesome is this t-shirt? Clearly, Mr. Jackie loves it too. And look at this, look at this, look at this, the tote bag. How fantastic is this? And of course, these are all my original designs. Plus, we cannot forget the adorable mug. I mean, I just love this. So I created this little kind of poem on here to a cup of inspiration, a pinch of pre-love style, a dash of scissor snips, a few sweet stitches equals a refashionista. and last but not least, there's a sticker which I have already put on my luggage. And yeah, how cool is that? How cool is that? I mean, okay, anyway. I guess it is now time to get on with the tutorial. And of course, if you want to get this merch for yourself, link is down below. Head on over to my Patreon and it's all there. It's all there. And you know what? It's included in your membership. So you get this. You just get this when you sign up, which is fantastic. And yeah, so let's get started. Today, I am showing you how to transform a vintage scarf and an old bed sheet into a fabulous tunic top or beach cover up or whatever the heck you want to wear it as. It is fantastic. It is comfortable. It's gorgeous. Let's go make it.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.
For this quick and easy refashionista project, all you need is a funky old vintage scarf that is large enough to wrap across your body, plus an old bed sheet or a piece of fabric that is about the same size as your vintage scarf. Because I'm using an old bed sheet, the first thing I have to do is chop off the elastic around the outside of the fabric. Depending on if your bed sheet is made along the grain of the fabric, you may be able to simply rip the elastic off of the edge. And if you can do that, it makes life a lot easier. Next, you want to lay your bed sheet or large piece of fabric on a flat surface, place the scarf on top, and then cut the bed sheet to the size of the scarf. Next, grab an oversized t-shirt and center it on top of the scarf and the piece of fabric. Next, you want to grab your pins and simply mark the sides of the neckline. Now, because the t-shirt is stretchy and this scarf is not so stretchy, I'm going to be a little bit more generous here with my neckline, and I'm going to mark it right at the edge of the t-shirt neckline here. Now we can move on and mark the underarm seam of the t-shirt onto the scarf and fabric as well. Now, I'm going to be quite generous here because I want my top to fit more like a tunic or a beach cover-up. If you'd like your top to be more fitted, simply mark closer to the edge of the t-shirt, and when you're stitching, then follow that line and you'll have a more fitted look. And then go repeat your same marks on the other side of your scarf and fabric. So first I'm going to stitch the top part, and I'm going to sew from one of my neckline pins to the edge and a little bit down to the side here to create the top of my top, and then I'm going to repeat that on the other side. Once I have the top seams done, then all I have to do is stitch down from my underarm seams on both sides, and my fab little tunic top will be complete. Once you have it all stitched together, trim off any excess fabric and then flip it right side out and enjoy your fancy new tunic top.
Throw it over your swimsuit or knot the side and pop it on with some trousers.
How absolutely fantastic did that come out? I love it so much. Plus, look, it rolls up so small. I mean, look, it can even fit in my mug. Okay. Just had to get that in there again. And remind you, if you would like your very own Refashionista merch, then pop on over to my Patreon. It's all over there. Again, link is down below. We have the mug, we have the tote bag, and of course the t-shirt and the sticker here, which is adorable. And like I said here, what we made fits nicely in there. It's so compact and, I mean, lightweight, perfect for any sort of traveling you may be doing. If you're doing any traveling right now. Anywho, I don't really know what else to say. My buddy here is enjoying his bone, and I think I'm gonna go eat something. I'm gonna go put something in this mug. And yeah, until next time. Sorry. Until next time. Stay safe, stay well, and I'll catch ya on the zigzag. A good bone, buddy? Good bone? Yeah, it's a good bone. Mwah!